If your cat refuses to take its medicine, try this. This owner used a drama scene.
Bro, the cat was sick but refused the medicine.
No matter what the owner did, still no. Negotiation failed. So what did the owner do? He showed the cat a drama scene on an iPad. A guy getting slapped for not taking his medicine. Before you see what happens, hit like and subscribe if your pet is stubborn. Drop a heart if medicine time is a struggle in your house. The cat watched carefully. Another slap. Another warning. And suddenly, the cat stopped resisting and drank the medicine. Fear works, even on cats.